Hello, yes. Do come in, do come in. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Major Radius, professional number hunter. Yes, indeed. I have hunted nearly every type of number out there. From the great herds of naturals, to the elegant integers, even an imaginary number or two. I am currently hunting the elusive last 4 digits of pi.
Yes, sir.
Not now, Private.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. You are probably here to find out about the different types of numbers, then. Well, you have indeed come to the right man. Private Pi.
Now, sir.
Yes, now, Private.
Yes, sir.
Fetch my gun. We're off to hunt some numbers.
Jolly good, sir.
There you are. Follow me. Firstly, we will start off with the natural numbers. These, as the name implies, are numbers that can be seen and observed in nature, and are often called the counting numbers. Let's try counting a few things, shall we?
I love counting numbers.
Counting numbers. I have 1 hat, 2 hands, 2 thumbs, 10 fingers, and 15 medals pinned onto my chest.
Where, sir?
My actual chest.
Right, sir.
Let's talk about the elephant in the room. The fact that there aren't any elephants in the room. Yes, I count 0 elephants. Which means 0 must be a natural number, right?
Right!
Wrong! You can't count nothing in nature. However, 0 is still a whole number. A whole lot of nothing. Much like the inside of Private Pi's skull.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nothing private. Anyways, the whole numbers are 0 on, without any fractions, decimals, or negatives. Next, we come upon the integers.
Well, sir, I'll give him a jolly good drubbing.
That's just the thing, Private. These are an elusive set of numbers. Because although they may still be whole in a sense because they contain no decimals or fractions, but they can contain negative numbers.
Negative numbers?
Precisely, Private. Numbers that are less than 0.
But how can something be less than nothing? It's unnatural.
Exactly!
I'm confused.
Welcome to the land of math, Private.
'Tis a silly place.
'Tis. That was a rational number.
Finally, something that makes rational, reasonable sense around here.
Well, unfortunately for you, Private, rational, as it is used here, is derived from ratios.
Ratios?
Precisely. You see, rational numbers contain ratios, or fractions, as you might call them.
You mean like 1/2 and 3/4?
Precisely.
But what about all the previous numbers that aren't fractions? Are they rational too?
But of course.
But how?
Simple, Private. Now, when you, take any integer and divide it by the number 1, and you have a quick, easy, rational number.
Is there anything else, sir?
But of course! There exists an outlier in all of this. The curious numbers known only as the irrational numbers.
To the irrationals!
Indeed! Try not to look down, Private.
I'm trying not to, sir.
Irrational numbers are in a category separate all unto themselves. Rational numbers either terminate, meaning they stop, or they continue to repeat the same number forever. Now, the irrational numbers do neither of these things. They never terminate, but they also never repeat the same number. A good example of this is pi. Is pi.
Oh, me, sir?
Yes, you.
Oh, the joke, sir! Oh, pie! 'Cause I don't know. 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 'C
Not that kind of pie, Private. The actual number pie.
Oh, I think I'd have trouble fitting that in my trousers, sir. I got this, sir.
Let's review, shall we? I like to think of this as a series of boxes inside of larger boxes. First, we start with the natural numbers. Then we have the whole numbers. Then the integers. And finally, rationals. And off here, by its lonesome, is the irrational numbers. Like... Private, you scare... Look. Over there. Look at it. Isn't it a beauty? Hold still, Private. Hold still. Yes, sir. I caught it.
Sir,
I see it, Pie. Pie. The pie.
the pie?
The pie.
The pie!
Gotcha. Well, hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about numbers today. That was relatively easy. Negative numbers.
That's my dog poop, sir.
Yes, I know. It's my boots. Okay.